This cycle has been terrible for altcoins. One of them has been Chainlink. The pattern that we've been following with Chainlink was this Wyckoff accumulation schematic, and we pointed out that Chainlink was at spring, if you remember. The spring was here, around here, when Chainlink was somewhere around $6 to $5. We then had an impulse move to the upside, taking us out of the accumulation, and this accumulation lasted for more than 400 days. We came back and retested that accumulation, which you can see like so. If we put this like so, we put a line here on the accumulation and change that to the candlesticks, you will see the retest right here. So after that, we had another wave to the upside where we then came back to the downside. Now, there are some things that you can easily notice here, especially if you turn it to the line chart. You see that we keep having some three-wave down moves on Chainlink where the bottom is formed. So here we had a move, one here, second move, and the third move where the bottom or accumulation zone is formed. After this big move to the upside, we had a one, that's 1, 2, 3 again here. Then it accumulates to form the bottom. Here you also have the same type of stuff. 1, 2, and the third move right here. So in this particular retracement, we need to then zoom in to see if we will have some three-wave down moves or if we've had them already. So since this is on the weekly time frame right here, we then now zoom into the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we also see the three-wave moves here. So 1, 2, and 3 right here, where we then impulse back to the upside. But what's the entire move actually doing? Where's this thing going? Well, if you plot the Fibonacci for this particular move, it will show you that the move to the downside actually came into the 1.618. That goes back to 0.786. After 0.786, the lowest you would be expecting will be the 2.618. Now, if we change that to the candlestick chart, you will see how price actually interacted with that 0.786. So it gives us $10 for Chainlink to the 3 fib right there will be $9.80. So that's the lowest. This zone now becomes the lowest we can expect for Mr. Chainlink. So this zone right here, that's the lowest we can expect for Chainlink. It does not mean that Chainlink can't go lower. Yeah, I always say this. It does not mean it can't go lower. It just means that it's the lowest the chart is telling us that we should expect. Yeah, we are not here for wishes. We don't wish for it even going lower. We even wish that it goes up. But that's what the chart is saying. It could go as low as here. What's the highest it could go then, since we've gotten the lowest possible point, according to the chart at least? Well, to get that highest point, we have to zoom back to the... we have to zoom out, yeah? And then we are now looking to the upside. Well, to the upside, just so that I don't over-explain this stuff, Chainlink could go as high as $48. In fact, that will be the lowest we will be expecting for Chainlink in this cycle. So we therefore have something that looks a bit more like this. Yeah, that is what we could see for Chainlink. It might as well just go straight up from here. But this is just the lowest zone we can see for it. It might as well just go straight to zero, but we can't prove that it will go to zero or anything lower than this particular region. So that's it.